We're going to breathe down into the lowest parts of the abdomen so that the belly puffs out, kind of like Santa Claus. And then when we exhale, we're going to be pushing all of the air out completely. When we exhale, though, we're going to exhale like we are blowing through a straw. We're going to purse our lips and really control how slowly the breath comes out. Essentially, we're going to activate what's called your parasympathetic nervous system. So, if you will, just make yourself comfortable. And we're going to take deep breath. I'll back up a little bit so you can see it. Deep breath down into the belly. And if you're not sure, just hold your belly and it should come out. And then fill up the tops of the lungs. And then slowly exhale like you're blowing through a straw. It should take a little while. And then blow all the air out of your belly. You force it out. And then breathe in again through the nose. Exhale through the straw. You got it. Just like that. Again, nice big breath into the belly. And then exhale through the straw. Most excellent. 2 more. In. Exhale through that straw. One more time. Big breath in. Exhale through the straw. Most excellent. Very good. That is something through the day, like anytime you can remember, start to breathe that way. Just remember that you exhale through the straw.